Wanafunzi turudi shule, Januari sasa imefika.
If this is your first time to watch my channel, Wabogo wa Kamau TV, please consider subscribing. I want to now address students on how they can prepare to bounce back to school. This is as a result of a student who sent me a message and told me that they wanted to know how to prepare to go back to school. So today I'm excited to give you 4 wives and 1 husband as you go back to school. Meaning I'm going to give you 4 W's, 1 H. And that is why, what, when, where, and how. Yes, why are you going to school? Ask yourself that question, because maybe you want to be somebody. Why? Socrates once said that an examined life is not worth living. So you need to know why you are going back to school. What are you going to do when you go to school? What are you going to do there? I expect you to go there to achieve your dreams. You have a dream. That is what you're going to do in school. Then when are you going there? You know the dates that you're opening, number 1. Then at this particular time you are young, you are a youth, you are a teenager. This is the right time. This is the right time to get this education. Life is not moving backwards, it's moving forward. So when are you supposed to learn? When are you supposed to achieve your dreams? It's from now. John Maxwell once said, if you want to be successful, you need to start by planning your daily agenda very well. So keep on asking yourself, when are you going to achieve this? Is during this time. And then where are you going to achieve your dreams? In school. So you must go back to school, because that is where you are going to be nurtured, you are going to be transformed. So when you know this, I'm telling you, you're going to succeed. Those are 4 W's of going back to school. Then there is this now, the husband. How are you going back to school? Number 1, you need to prepare yourself mentally. I always ask students, what is life? And I define life as m squared equals to h squared over c. Meaning, you're born in a maternity hospital. When you die, you're taken in a mortuary. Depending on the C, the choices you make below there, these choices might either take you to heaven or hell. That's how I describe life. How are you going to achieve your dreams? That is a big question. As you go back to school, interrogate yourself and ask yourself, how am I going to get there? And these are the tips on how to go back to school. Remember, I said, your mind is like a garden. Whatever you plant, that is exactly what you harvest. If you plant maize, you don't harvest beans. Psych yourself mentally and tell yourself, this year, 2021, no matter the matter, it's going to be a great year. Put it in your mind. Whatever a mind can conceive, can achieve. Remember, in Kisumu City, they say a fish will swim with its head, and when it starts to rot, it rots from the head. So be prepared to psych yourself, prepare yourself mentally to go back to school. Ian Rand once said that we are all born without carrying any weapon. The only weapon that God gave us is our mind. So use your mind to transform yourself. And I always tell students, the moment you stop thinking, you start thinking. So you need to think about the way you're going to approach this new normal that was caused by COVID-19. And it is very easy. You need to accept and cope with the changes that has happened in our lives and prepare yourself well. And finally, I want to talk about one word that I know may be a vocabulary to you, called logotherapy. Logo means logic, and therapy, healing. So logotherapy is healing through meaning. When you think about what has happened, what you have gone through, the changes that has come to our world, you think about them, the challenges you have gotten from home, your parents and all that, and put them in the right perspective. Understand what has happened and you start healing. You need to understand that there was a pandemic. It is still there. It influenced the whole world. But now we are understanding how to live with coronavirus, and we are able to make so many changes in our lives, to wear masks, to sanitize, to keep social distance. When you get to understand these things, that is a healing process. So when you go back to school, just go there with a positive mind. Go there focused to achieve your dream. Again, we are beginning a new year. When you're beginning a new year, set goals. Those goals will motivate you to work hard despite the fact that there is a pandemic. And with that, when you put God first, when you put God in all that, be prayerful, and then you're going to succeed. In the book of Philippians, the Bible says that I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. May that be your verse, and you will be able to make it back to school with strength, energy, and you will become somebody. And I want to finish by saying, no matter the matter, you matter. Thank you.
Wanafunzi turudi shule, Januari sasa imefika. Wanafunzi